Today I want to share with you a quick and simple vegetarian lunch option. It is my Sriracha smoked tofu sandwich. Kind of like a twist on a banh mi sandwich, but it's going to be completely vegan. So for today's recipe, we'll be using smoked Sriracha tofu. This is a brand that I use. If you don't want it spicy, you can also buy the original one. Some sliced avocado, a baguette of your choice, either gluten-free or regular, some baby greens, grated carrots, bread and butter pickles, love this particular brand, vegan mayo, and some chopped green onions. So into a hot pan, we're just gonna sear the tofu to make them nice and crispy. About 3 minutes on either side. And then it's optional, but I toasted my bread because toasted bread tastes better. And there you have it, a Sriracha smoked tofu sandwich that takes less than 5 minutes to make. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do, and until next time, relish every bite.